Moikka! Today let's make some whimsy drops. And we will start with some circles. You can do this with a pen harp or you can do this by freehand. Whatever is better option for you. So the idea is to make different size circles. They can be bigger and they can be smaller. Just side by side. Some circle drawing. Now the circles are ready. And the next step is to color these with some watercolors. And I think this time I will make this page with some lighter colors and then it fades to the darker ones, like through the spread. But yes, let's start the color therapy. Now the color drops are dry and next comes the delicious part, and that is decorating. I have done no pre-planning. I just go with the flow with the decorations, so whatever comes to my mind I will do that. Usually I start with some white dotting. That is always, well, most of the times, that is my way to start decorating, because the first decoration is always the hardest. I don't know why. Maybe it's the blank canvas. So that is my way to start the doing, just some dotting and then see where it goes. And today I will use these Meeden acrylic markers, and I really love this set, and this is my favorite set at the moment. So I will use these and maybe also some thin markers, I don't know yet, we'll see. But if you are looking for a great acrylic marker set, I recommend this from the bottom of my heart. These colors are lovely. Let's start the decoration fun, and this is a wonderful way to relax during a busy day when you have just some little color drops and you start to fill them up. Nothing too big, just these little drops. And now I will make the edges a bit cleaner. I will use some colored pencils, and then I will also use acrylic marker to take off most of the annoying excess that has dripped over the circle. Of course, this is not necessary, but this is just something that I like to do. I am just making a little line to the edge, a little bit shadowing. Lovely. That was a fun art moment. And the bite-size art journal got another one of these little spreads. Yes, but I wish you many, many magical art moments, and thank you so much for watching. And a warm thank you also to the lovely community at Taika Patreon. Until next time, moi moi!